You gave so much love to our previous series where we explored all 34 strengths in detail. Lakhs of people watched it, liked it, and shared it. And the feedback, encouragement we received were overwhelming. Many of you reached out with questions, especially about how to apply strengths in real life situations. So based on your feedback, I'm happy to announce our new series, How to Crack Job Interviews Using Strengths. In this series, we will deep dive into practical ways to use your unique strengths to stand out in interviews, craft compelling narratives, and showcase your true potential to recruiters. Whether you are a fresh graduate, a mid-career professional, or someone looking to make a career change, this series will guide you on how to use strengths to turn interviews into opportunities. I hope you will enjoy this journey with us. Let's get started.